Hello guys, welcome back to our channel at Gaming Basics. In this video, I'll show you guys how to add Valorant in NVIDIA Control Panel. So without any further ado, let's head into our video. The first thing you want to do is you want to open a control panel by coming to desktop, and you're going to right click, then select control panel. Once the control panel is opened, what you're going to do is you're going to click on manage 3D settings right over here. Right. In this 3D settings, you're going to click on manage 3D settings, and after that what you're going to do is you're going to click on program settings, and after that you're going to click on add. After you click on add, you can select Valorant over here and click add selected program, just like that. And after that, what you're going to do is you can specify NVIDIA control panel settings especially for Valorant only, not the desktop or anything, just for Valorant, like image scaling and isotropic filter, anti-aliasing, everything. So that's how you add Valorant in NVIDIA Control Panel. I hope it helps. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, do like the video and subscribe to our channel at Maple Gaming. And don't forget to hit that bell button icon to get latest updates of our video.